This freaks them out.
Yeah,
So they're in an army line.
Yeah. Dude,
Yeah.
The geese are all freaking, yeah.
I just read that. Someone sent something about how the fireworks affects different animals.
Well,
They'll be okay.
Those geese spend a lot of time irritating me. I think it's been one night irritating them.
Yeah.
I'm all right with it.
Yeah. It's okay.
boom!
That's so pretty.
Give me liberty or give me death. Or mushrooms. There you go. Little hallucination. Little line. Char loves shrooms.
I like chocolate shrimp.
Chocolate.
I like those. Me too.
Oh, the chocolate bar. I'm gonna save it for the finale.
That was patriotic. That was patriotic.
There we go.
Nice.
Boom. That is slow motion view.
Yeah.
Oh, that's like 3D effect. Reminds me of Love American Style. Right? For some uncanny reason. I don't know what it is. Those look like
Yeah, totally.
Major dreads, dude. I wonder how many feet that is that they attain. They all go about the same height.
One year, remember, it caught on fire.
Oh yeah, totally. We were
Yeah.
talking, yeah.
Somebody was just talking about that.
Yeah.
Yeah, we're like, what's going on? Like, oh shit, there's a fire.
The whole dam was on fire.
It took a while for that one. That's pretty.
At the boat last year? Yes. Yeah.
Oh no, I was talking about when the fireworks caught on fire, where
When the
the
dam
actual
caught on fire
thing
that
caught
one
on
year.
fire over there.
There was one year when they shot them off and the clouds were so low you couldn't see them.
Yep, yep, I remember that year too.
Yeah.
That humidity on
Yeah.
smoke.
Not the case this year, boy. You can see
No,
them clear as a
they're
bell this year, and the smoke just kind of going away.
Yeah. It's blown away.
But it's not super humid out.
I guess that's what it is. I don't.
Yeah, I think it feels great.
You don't have to worry
Carol,
about
do
getting
you
in
want
front of
any
Carol if you want.
No, I'm good. Thank you.
Oh, wow.
I can't step in front of the camera.
You can step in front of the
Go
camera. It's
ahead.
okay.
It's, yeah, you need to get it back there for something.
So. No, I can't do it. You have to do it. No.
Oh, okay, I'm like, wait, it's okay.
He can't get in front of the camera, but you can.
Yeah.
Right.
What do you need?
No, I'm gonna go grab a beer.
Yeah, I'll get it
Maybe
for
a
you.
water. No, I got it.
Okay.
Carol, you want to come sit up here?
And then
No,
Char
I'm a-
wanted
Actually, I do.
My wine's right here, babe.
Is that
My
why I
wine's right here. So I'm good.
How long is it supposed to last, Joe?
I think 22 minutes.
22?
Yeah, so let's say like 5 more minutes.
So we're at 18 right now.
I think the finality is going to be pretty grand.
I think so too.
Yeah, I want to do that.
Yeah. I've been taping for 17 and a half minutes. So maybe it's 25 minutes.
Reflections.
Oh, wow.
I mean, it's
Yeah.
beautiful tonight. Just
You can make a
beautiful.
nice
It really
picture out of
Are
it.
you doing regular camera with that?
Yeah.
Okay, I need to try to do that. 'Cause my Snapchat was.
like the crowd approves.
That's a wrap.
What'd you say, honey?
It sounds like the crowd approves.
The crowd approved.
Yeah. Yeah, that was 22 minutes.
That was
Good
a
video.
that finale was amazing.
Clear?
That's amazing.